Hi, everyone. I'm John Schmidt, Senior Vice President of the ACO Exhibit Hall, and I want to welcome you to this week's Exhibit Hall Flash interview. This week, our guest is Jack Bloise, General Manager of Salient Healthcare. And just as an introductory note, Salient is a performance management company offering like value-based care analytics and platform, very helpful tools to managing value-based care contracts. Jack will tell us a lot more in just a few minutes. So welcome, Jack. Glad to have you.
Hi, thanks. I'm glad to be here.
Good. Well, let me ask you just a couple of questions. We won't have much time, but let's start with, can you give us a quick overview of the services or solutions offered by Salient to help support ACO operations?
Sure, I'd love to. So you set it up front, right? So Salient's a performance management company. We help provider organizations like ACOs to confidently grow and take on greater risk in their value-based contracts. So we do that by helping them aggregate any type of data from any payer, any system. We bring that data together, then we enrich it, meaning that we'll take that data and turn it into useful information, which is really, information that makes sense to the average healthcare worker. And then most importantly, we have the means to then deliver that information to anyone in the organization at any time. That means that, we know that the closer you get to the point of care, an organization can deliver actionable information, then the more prepared they are for a risk-based contract. So whether it be an analyst, an administrator, a care manager, we have a customized interface designed for their use to help them do their job.
That will be very helpful. Let me also just say, given that, what sets Salient apart from a lot of the other companies who say they can kind of do the same thing?
Sure. So, yeah, there are a few things, I think. And I think the first thing is that commitment to helping the end users I talked about. I think that we don't just help them learn how to use our technology, but we help them learn how to use the data or the information to continuously improve and to succeed at their jobs. So we surround the solution with very focused consulting services, training services, and then we provide a robust support network so that they can ensure the adoption of the system. Another big advantage that we have is the technology. We have a very unique, high-performing technical platform. It's an in-memory data mart. So that allows for infinite scaling and for complete governance. To give you an example, we can support an ACO of 5,000 to 10,000 members, all the way up to an organization the size of the New York State Medicaid program that has hundreds of thousands of doctors and millions of patients. And we can do that with complete governance, meaning we can deliver information about those people to the people in your organization that need it, and only that information. So we do that, and we support all the privacy rules, high-tech, HIPAA, that sort of thing. And then probably the last thing is that we did build a very specific purpose-built application that follows a prescriptive methodology. It's aligned with and supports all different value-based care initiatives that allows us to, for any provider organization, wherever they are on the continuum, to accepting greater risk, we can meet them there, and then we can help them mature and scale to where they want to go.
Oh, that's very helpful, Jack. Thank you for giving us that overview. I'd like to mention that if you want, and encourage you to do that, if you want to take a deeper dive, please visit the Salient Healthcare booth at the ACOExhibithall.com, and there you'll find valuable downloads and other information that will be very, very helpful to you, I think. So thanks to everyone for joining us, and a special thanks to you, Jack, for giving us some insights into Salient Healthcare.
Thanks for having me, John. I appreciate it.
Okay. So bye now to everyone, and please stay safe and well.